Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is M. Febri Saputra Rusli, and today I will present my essay entitled "The Impact of Export Activity on the Economy of Developing Countries." In this presentation, I will explain how export activity influence economic growth, employment, foreign exchange, and also discuss some challenges, especially in developing countries like Indonesia. Okay, first of all, export activity refers to the process of selling goods and services to other countries. For developing countries, exports are very important because they generate income from abroad and support national developments. Countries like Indonesia depends on export not only to earn money but also to improve the welfare of their people. Therefore, understanding the impact of export is very important and analyzing a country's economy. The first impact of export activity in economic growth: when a country exports more product, it means production inside the country increases. This leads to higher industrial activity and contributes to growth domestic product or GDP. For example, in Indonesia, export components such as plain oil, gold, and manufactured goods. This sector plays a major role in increasing national income and supporting economic development. The second impact is the increases in foreign exchange reserve. Foreign exchange is very important because it is used to pay for imports, manage international trade, and maintain stability with strong export performance. And country can have more financial stability. In developing countries, foreign exchange from export is essential to support infrastructure developments and economic programs. Next, export activity help create job opportunity. When demand from other country increases, companies need to produce more goods. As a rules, they hire more workers. In Indonesia, industries such as textiles, garments, and plantation like palm oil provide jobs for millions of people. This helps reduce unemployment and improve living standards, especially in rural areas. Other important impact is the improvement of product quality and innovation. To compete in global markets, products must meet international standards. This includes companies to improve their technology, packaging, and production process. For example, in Indonesia, coffee has gained international recognitions because of better quality, control, and certifications. This show how export can match local product to become more competitive globally. Example in Indonesia. A clear example is Indonesia palm oil export sector. It contributes significantly to foreign exchange and employment. However, it also raises environmental concerns. On the other hand, the development of manufactured export, such as electronics and automotive products, show positive progress in reduce dependency on natural resources. However, export activity also have some challenges. One major issue is dependency on certain commodities. Many developing countries rely too much on raw materials like gold or palm oil. If global price fall, their economy can be negatively affected. Other challenge is environmental damage. For example, the expansions of palm oil plantations in Indonesia has caused deforestation and a loss of biodiversity. This means economic growth must be balanced with environmental sustainability. And then In conclusions, export activity have a strong impact of developing country. They support economic growth, increases foreign exchange, create jobs, and encourage innovations. However, challenges like community dependency and environmental issue must be addressed. Therefore, governments need to manage export activity wisely to ensure sustainability and economic development. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation helped you understand the importance of export activity in developing countries. Sekian dari saya, bila ada kata atau kalimat yang kurang jelas, karena manusia itu tidak luput dari kesalahan. Karena semua kesempurnaan hanya ada di Tuhan Yang Maha Esa. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.